Now I have more than one missing elements in an array. Let us look at the elements first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is missing. 11, 12, 13, 14 is missing. Then I have 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So more than one elements are missing, and also from 12 to 15 if you see, continuously two elements are missing. So I have taken both the cases, that is one or more elements are missing and also continuously more than one elements are missing together. So let us see how we can find out this one. So we will follow the same logic that I have shown here by taking the difference of index and the element. So let us start how we have to modify the logic here. See, let us start from here. The difference is 6, right? 6 minus 0, difference is 6. So difference is 6. And here difference is 6. So element is not missing. Difference is 6, element is not missing. Difference is 6, element is not missing. Difference is 7. So element is missing. What is that element? Difference is 6 and the index is 4. So the missing element is 10. But the difference, new difference is 7. Yes. So I can know the missing element by taking the index as well as the difference. So I'll get the number 10. So 10 is missing. And now from here, missing element onwards, the difference has changed. That is 11 minus 4 is 7. So this is 7. Okay, continue. Next, difference is 7. Okay, continue. No problem. Now difference is 9. Oh, so two elements are missing. So previous difference was 7 and the new difference is 9. So how many elements are missing? So right now we are at index 6. So difference was 7. 7 plus 6, that is 13. 13 is missing. And also 8 plus 6 I should take, that is 14. Then 9, oh, I should stop because the difference is 9. I should stop. So I got two elements missing. So I should start from 7, difference 7 and also difference 8. Difference 9, stop because the difference is 9 and we have that element. So for displaying multiple elements, I have to do multiple elements. So again, it means I should use a loop here. Yes. Then next, let us continue further. The difference is 9 and the difference is 9 and the difference is 9 and the difference is 9. So that's all. Everything is perfect. So we have found three missing elements, that is 10 and 13 and 14. So logic will be similar. I should take a difference and scan through. Wherever the difference is not matching, the element is missing. So let me write on the code here. So this is the workout I have done. So I'll put it in a box. I will write on the code freshly. See, first of all, we have taken difference. Difference is starting element, that is lower number, 6. 6 minus 0, this is the difference. And what I have to do, I have to scan through this array. So okay, for loop, for I takes values from 0 onwards and I should be less than equal to 10. So that is less than 11, less than n and I plus plus. Then every time I should check that whether the difference between the element is maintained, same difference is maintained. So index versus element. So if element at I and I itself, if we take a difference, if it is not equal to the starting difference, this one, if it is not equal, means there is some element missing, right? Now this difference may be of 1 or maybe of 2 or maybe of more. See, in this example the difference was 1, new difference was 1. Now in this example, new difference is more than 1. So I assume that it may be 1 or more than 1. So let us say more than 1 only. So for that I will display all the elements. So how to display all the elements? The current difference plus index, right? So that is 5, the current difference plus index. Right now here I got a mismatch, for example. So this is 13. If you add this 13, then make it as 8, then this will give you 14. Then make it as 9. So it has become equal. So stop. So I should start from the current index to the new index. So if it is not equal, current difference, right now whatever the difference is less than the new difference a of I minus 1. See, this is the new difference and this is the existing difference right now. And if this new difference is not equal, then the element is missing. So while this is not equal, what I should do? I should print the element. So directly I am printing the element. Printf, the element is current index plus difference, and I should move to next difference. So difference plus plus. That's it. So using a loop, I will print all the missing elements. Present difference plus index, that is present difference. Right now, present difference is 7 plus index is 6, right? So I'll get 13. Then difference plus plus. Now the new difference is 8 plus index 6, 14. Then difference plus plus. Difference become 9. And this difference is 9. It is 9. So it will stop. Now the difference has modified. Again, the same loop will continue. That's all. So if there are multiple elements missing continuously, for them I have to write a loop here. So using a loop, I am printing rest of the elements. So this is the method for finding missing elements in a sequence of elements, and the elements must be sorted. Now how much time it is taking? See, what is the amount of work we are doing? We are scanning through the list of elements. How many times? Only one time. So the time is order of n. So there are n elements, so the time is order of n. So if you look from the code, for loop is there. For loop, how many times it will repeat? N times. So time is order of n. But what about this? What about this? See, I am printing missing elements. How many? Will it be printing all n elements? No, just a few elements. So it's negligible. So overall, if you see, the number of time the process is done is from 6 to last number 19. So this loop will repeat from 6 to 19, and this loop will print the missing element. So 10 is missing, so that is printed. 13, 14 is missing, so that is printed. So those elements are also included. So without missing all the elements, so this loop is accessing all the elements, missing any element. So it means we don't have to consider the time taken by this loop, because this time is negligible. Just it is filling up the gaps, that is missing elements. So the total time is order of n. So time taken by this algorithm is order of n. So that's all. This is the method how to find a missing element, one element or multiple elements in a sorted array, and the sequence of elements may be starting from 1 onwards, may be starting from any other number. So this procedure I have shown you, this you have to write down the program and execute it. So you can write a main function, and in that you can declare an array, and inside the main function only you can write down this logic and check it. So this is a student exercise. In the next video I will show you how to find a missing element in an unsorted array.